le prochain sur ma liste, c'est Polina Priankova.
Thank you. Good afternoon, esteemed colleagues and distinguished attendees. I'm Polina Pryanikova, and today I represent the international team of the researchers and scholars of the Global AI Center, the president I am thereof. Before I proceed, I would like to express my delight to see a lot of committed individuals.
Je voudrais, sorry to interrupt you. Yeah. I just want to highlight that this meeting is meeting of the validation workshop dedicated to African experts. So I'm sorry I don't want to be impolite, but I cannot give you the floor. I mean, I guess that you get the link from somewhere, because we have shared the list with our mailing list, but I'm sorry, but I cannot give you the floor to speak, since the meeting is related to validation workshop. So it is discussion about the implementation plan of a strategy that is already developed.
Absolutely. Oh, Sahila, pardon. I just received exactly the message from you, and we really graciously thank you for inviting.
It may be a mistake from my side. I really apologize for that, but I think this meeting, you can stay as observer, but I'm sorry, but I cannot just give you the floor.
I got you. Thank you. I just wanted to elaborate on one subject. Our Global AI Center is an international organization. We also cooperate with UNESCO and and we also cooperate with the United Nations, and we also took part this year in April 2024 in multi-stakeholder consultative sessions pertaining to the elaboration on the Continental AI Strategy of the African Union, and this year we also contributed, so but as I got it, we cannot still be given the floor.
Thank you so much. I think because when we did consultations, we posted the link on the AU website, and we welcomed all inputs, but I think we moved from that stage of open consultations. Now we have our strategy. Now we are in the implementation, we are discussing how to move to the implementation. I think it was my mistake because I used my mailing list, so I apologize for inconvenience. But as I said, you may wish to stay as an observer, but I think we cannot make it interventions. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Upon a multitude of requests that we have received, that our Global AI Center has received recently, we decided to divulge particular information that pertains exactly to our research, that has a full-on potential to be harmonized in terms of the African Union's novel legislation that's being crafted, because we studied it thoroughly and comprehensively, and at the same time globally. Because today we're gonna address one, unfortunately, omnipresent issue these days, but it has the full-on potential to be realized and eliminated. And so today, in our continuation of the meeting, we're gonna propose to discuss the minimization of AI risks, maximization of the benefits, and the subject of international cooperation. In terms of the African Union's novel legislation, we recognize and want to reiterate the diligent commitment of the African Union, its conspicuous and its targeted policies, inter alia in terms of indigenous languages, incorporated in algorithmic trainings, tectonic shifts in education, professional retraining, security of private data, gender equality. All of these aspects have been given exemplary attention, but there is one particular fact that is still conspicuous and salient to note. It's the potential novel, vulnerable group of people on the continent that is literally comprises all the representatives of all the professions, and it may be jeopardized, and it's not directly stipulated and taxonomized, and hence this clarion call may not stand in the agenda of the upcoming oversight authority, for instance, the Center of Excellence in AI application that has been stipulated when it comes to the Continental AI Strategy and its implementation plan, the draft. And thus, during our today's session, our center presents the exclusive part of the potential legislative document that will be published in an international scientific and practical conference in Spain next week. That's the supranational protocol on responsible AI use and labor rights that may be taken into account by the African Union and henceforth bolstering Africa's position on the global stage, which is actually one of the objectives stipulated in the plan. The supranational protocol defines strict boundaries for AI integration, allowing only controlled use in designated sectors and complete replacement in hazardous conditions to enhance worker safety. Our approach offers more extensive, robust support in retraining, which cascades, ensuring workforce adaptability. We give practical solutions on how to form a strategic reserve of trained professionals capable of interfacing effectively with AI technologies in force majors. At protocol's core lies the AI Human Collaborative Index, which may set a new global standard for AI in the workplace. And this list is not exhaustive. Further details and updates pertaining to this protocol will be available through the links that I will share in chat, and I will share on our platforms, on the website, on my LinkedIn. Our Global AI Center remains committed and open to cooperation. We hope that the African Union is also the interested party, as underscored in the draft implementation plan. Thank you for your attention, engagement in this pivotal initiative. Our Global AI Center is open to engage in discussions, cooperate, and provide our insights, which resonate with the global vision of the United Nations that we also cooperate with in particular. Thank you.